In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like. I only have 2 meshes in the scene. One is a plane, and another is a mesh with 3 modifiers added. This is the primary mesh. It's a simple cube that was scaled, and scaled once again on the y-axis. I have added an array modifier like this. I should have pressed Ctrl and space together to expand the modifier, but somehow I forgot what that shortcut was, at this moment. I'm experiencing what feels like severe memory loss events, and I think it's got to do with my age. I'll be 50 in a couple of years, and maybe that's why. We don't need this curve modifier. Anyway, I remembered the shortcut was Ctrl with space pressed together, and here are the modifier details. Here are the screw modifier details. Please experiment with all available settings. I'll share the rest of the materials, environment light, and the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.